Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gemsofknowledge. So I'm here with another video on learning outcome number 5. Okay, and here we are going to learn the learning sheet number 15 from Kalika Chetarike of class 9th. Okay, so before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new video. Okay, so here learning sheet number 15, you can see in the following box you are able to see a point, line segment, line, ray, an angle, quadrilateral and also a triangle. Okay, and below this box you can see few questions are given. So here you can see what they have told us. Answer the following questions by observing the figures given above. So by observing this many figures you have to go on answering this questions. Okay, so first question is, I have only position, I don't have length and breadth. Who am I? So the position who contains only one position, there is no length and no breadth, is nothing but point. So here the answer will be point. Okay, then I can be measured. I have two end points. Who am I? So two end points, you can see here who is having the two end points. This is nothing but line segment. Line segment will be having two end points and it can be measured. Okay, so here the answer will be line segment. Next, I don't have endpoints. Okay, you can see here I don't have endpoints. I can't be measured. Who am I? So there is no endpoints. As you can see, these are the points. So by joining point, 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 we will get a line, and it is shown by two arrow marks. Means it can be extended again. Okay, so I don't have endpoints. So this line will not be having endpoints. Okay, and it can't be measured also. So who am I? This is nothing but the line. Next, I emerged out of a point. I can't be measured. So you can see a ray is emerging out from a point, but it is going on in this direction. You can see the arrow mark in which direction it is going on, but it cannot be measured. If it is going on, if this ray is being shown, it means this is been increasing, and we don't know what is the till how much far it will be increasing. Okay, so we can say that this answer is as ray. Next one, I have a plane surface that includes two rays starting from a common point. Okay, so from one common point, two rays are coming out. Okay, so we can guess this will be the answer. From one point, two rays are coming out. Okay, then you can see three non-collinear points are required to determine mean. So three non-collinear points means this is the answer, because this is one point, this is another point, and this is the third point, which is non-collinear. Non-collinear points are those points which are not in a straight line. 3 points will be somewhere. Okay, so all these means it is a triangle. Okay. Next, one more question is given here. I have a plane surface that includes two rays starting from a common point. So if this is a common point, the two rays are starting from this common points. So four non-collinear points are required. So this is one point, this is second point, this is third point, and one more point is required to determine me. Who I am I? This was nothing but the quadrilateral. One quadrilateral figure was given there. So this answer must be a quadrilateral. Okay, next, name the following lines. We must name this following lines. So this line is nothing but intersecting lines. It is called as intersecting lines. Okay, means intersecting lines means those lines which will meet at any point. Okay, those lines are called as intersecting lines. The two lines which never meet each other, they are called as parallel lines. Either they are called as parallel lines, or they may be called as non-intersecting lines, because they never meet each other. So we can also call them as non-intersecting lines, or we can call them as parallel lines. And these lines are called as perpendicular lines, just because, okay, these lines are called as perpendicular lines just because both the lines are meeting each other at 90 degree. You can see here. Okay, everywhere you get a 90 degree. So these lines are called as perpendicular lines, because perpendicular itself means both the lines will meet at exactly 90 degree. Okay, so next question, list the intersecting and non-intersecting line that you observe in your daily life. So there are many things which you observe in your daily life, like intersecting lines. The two intersecting lines, I can give you the example of this scissor. Okay, if I keep this scissor closed, it means here two, you can see two this. Okay, if I open this scissor, if I open this scissor, you can see this mark. You can say these two lines are intersecting lines. Sorry, these two lines are nothing but the intersecting line. If I close this, it will be similar to this type of lines. So we can say that it is an non-intersecting lines. Okay, if I open this, it will be an example for non-intersecting lines, and if I close this, it will be an example for non-intersecting lines. Okay, so this was one example. Another example is the track of your running race. Like the track will be like this much far, the same distance it will be having. So all these are nothing but the non-intersecting lines, or we can call them as parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. Okay, similarly the hand of clock, we can say it is an example for intersecting lines, because you can see this at any time they may intersect each other. Okay, so that is an example for intersecting line. There is no gap between the gap between the two hands will be sometimes it will be increasing, sometimes it will be decreasing also. So it is an example for intersecting lines. Okay, next you can see a few more examples. If you want, you can include it here. Okay, so next question, you can see identify the following in the figure. Okay, first one is given parallel lines. So which are the two parallel lines here? M and N. So M and N are the two parallel lines here. Okay, second, transversal is the falling line which is present on the two parallel lines. So L, this line is named as L, you can see here. Okay, so this is a transversal line. So point of intersection, you can see there are two point of intersection and there is no name for this point of intersection. Let me give it as A and let me give this as B. So these are A and B are the two point of intersection. Okay, next one think question is given, join these two lines. So you can join these two lines, name the point they intersect. Okay, so we have to name this point where they are intersecting. Let me give this name as M. What is the distance between the ray emerged from the point? So you have to calculate the distance between this ray and distance between this ray. Can you calculate the distance? No, you can only calculate the angle between them, because here you can see if you calculate this distance, you will get some centimeter, but here you will get more centimeters. So this distance will be larger than this distance. As you move on, you can see that the distance will be increasing, but the angle will be equal. If this is 20 centimeter, this will follow to be a 20 centimeter only if it is extended more also. Okay, so we cannot find the distance between this rays, but we can find the angle between these two rays. Okay, so write the measurement of the rest of the angles as shown in the example. So first one is done here. This is 50. Okay, if you closely observe this. Okay, so if you closely observe this, this is 0, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50 degree. Okay, this is 50 degree. As you can see, this is 50 degree. Now you have to mark this point. Okay, this angle, this is 10, 20, you know, this is 90 degree. Center point will be 90 degree. 90, 100, 110, 120, and 130. So what is the answer here? It is 130. Similarly, here you need this one. So you have to calculate it from this side. Okay, so this is 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 60, and 70. 170. The answer here is 170. Here you need to find this angle. Okay, so this is 90 degree, 100 degree, and 110 degree. So 110 degree. Okay, so the next question, you can see measure the following angles using a protector is given. Okay, so I'm really sorry, my protector is a bit dirty, so you have to find the angles, okay, using a protector. So if I take the measurement of this angle, let me show you. Okay, what I need to do is I need to keep this point on exactly this point, okay, and I need to measure the angle. Just see, if I keep it here, okay, okay, if I keep it here, you can see, if I keep it like this, you can see this line is crossing this 180 degree, okay. From here it is totally 180 degree. I hope you can see it. Okay, from here you can see it is totally 180 degree, and after 180 degree again it has been extended here. So what I will do is I will take the measurement from here. Let us take the angle of this. So I will keep this point on that point, you can see. Okay, now if I measure it here like this, you can see here what angle you are getting. From 0 to you are getting up to 160 degree. So what is the measurement here? Here it is 160 degree. Similarly, what will be the measurement here? If I keep it here, you can see the measurement is, you can see it is in the center. Okay, so you can see here, from here to here it is, this is 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, and this is 30 degree. So this will be 30 degree. Okay, so and here if you see the next one here, if I keep it like this, okay, this point must be on this exact point. If I keep it on this point, okay, you can see it, this line is somewhere in the middle. Okay, in the middle means it will be somewhere 65 degree. So this will be 65 degree. This angle is 65 degree. Now if I keep it here, you can see this angle is nothing but exactly 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Okay, similarly here like this, okay, this line must intersect on this line and this point, you can see it. Okay, so this point will be, you can see this point is 150 degree. From 0 to it is, okay, sorry, you can see from 0 to this is 150 degree. Okay, so if this is the angle, it will be 150 degree. Okay, let me write here 150 degree. And this angle if we are measuring, okay, you can see here this angle will be nothing but how much? 140. In between 140 and 150 it is. Can you see this line here? Can you see this line? It is showing in between 140 to 150. So it will be 145 degree. Okay, so next you need to learn about the types of angles. So you know that if it is exactly 90 degree, it is called as right angle. If it is less than 90 degree, it is called as acute angle. More than 90 degree, it is obtuse angle. And if it is a straight line, it is called as straight angle. Okay, now write the names of the angles according to their measurement. So according to their measurement, we need to write the names of this angle. So you can see first one, the angle greater than 0 but less than 90 is known as acute angle. Okay, similarly an angle which is equal to 90 degree is nothing but right angle. Okay, an angle which is equal to 180 degree is nothing but the straight angle. Okay, the angle greater than 90 but less than 180 is obtuse angle. Similarly, an angle which is equal to 360 degree, the complete angle, it is called as complete angle. Okay, the angle which is greater than 180 degree but the less than 360 degree, it will be greater than 180. Okay, so this is 180 degree, right? So it will be greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is nothing but known as reflex angle. Okay, next you can see, name the type of angles. Again you have to name the types of angles. So this is smaller than 90 degrees, so it is acute angle. This is equal to 90 degrees, so this is right angle. Okay, and this is more than 90 degree, it is obtuse angle. And this is, you can see, a straight line, so it is a straight angle. Okay, and this is, you can see here, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree. Okay, and it is more than 180 means it is called as reflex angle. Okay, sorry, reflex angle. And this is from here to here, this is known as complete angle. Okay, you can see the next question. Identify and name the type of angles in the figure. So by the figure itself, you can identify now that this is nothing but the right angle. You can see this is 90 degree. It means this is right angle. So this is smaller than 90 degrees. So it is nothing but acute angle. And here you can see it is greater than 90 degrees. So this is nothing but obtuse angle. Okay. So next one, measure the following angles and answer the question. So you have to measure this angles and you have to answer this question. So first let us measure this angles. Okay. Okay. Somewhat you can see this is 90 degree and this is exactly half. Not half, this is 40 degree. Okay. So this is 40 degree and this complete angle is 90 degree. It means this angle is 50 degree and this is 40. Totally it will be 90 degree. Similarly, let me measure this. Okay, this angle is 130 degree and remaining it is 50 degree. You can see this is 50 degree and this is 130 degree. Okay, so in the figure, what is the sum of the angles? So what is the sum of these two angles here? It is 90 degree. What type of angles are this? If we measure this angle singly, okay, if this is 50 degree angle and this is 40 degree angle, means both these angles are acute angles. Okay, next one, here you can see in the figure what is the sum of the angles. So what is the sum of these two angles? It is 180 degree. Okay, what type of angles are this? One is acute angle and one more is obtuse angle. One is, this is obtuse angle and this is acute angle. So next, last question of this learning sheet, you can see find x in the following figures. So you need to find the value of this. So x plus 35 degrees. So if we add this x plus 35 degree, it will be equals to 180 degrees. So this, you can see this is a complete angle. Okay, from here to here this will be a complete angle, sorry, not complete angle, it is equal to a straight angle. So from here to here it is a straight angle. So x plus 35 degree will be equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 minus 35. So if you cancel this minus 35, it will be equals to 145 degree. So this is 145 degree. So next one, you can see here 7x and 3x is given. So 7x plus 3x will be equals to, if you add this 7x and this 3x, you are going to get 180 degree. So totally if you add this, 7x plus 3x is nothing but 10x, which is equals to 180 degree. So if you move this 10 to this side, it will be x is equals to 180 divided by 10 and 0 is cancelled. So your x is equals to 18 degree. Okay. So your x is equals to 18 degree. So let us find out 7x means 7 into 18. You have to find out. Okay. So let us find out. 7 8s are 56 and 5 will be carried. 7 1s are 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. So this is 126 degree angle, and similarly 3x means 3 into 18. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 2 will be carried. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 54. So you know this angle will be 54 degree and this angle will be 126 degree. Okay, similarly you can see this is nothing but 90 degree angle. So x plus 37 degree is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so x is equals to 90 degree minus 37 degree means x will be equals to, if you subtract this much here, so you are going to get something 53 degree. 53 plus 37 will be equals to 90. Okay, so next, the last one of this learning sheet, that is this is a straight line. Okay, so straight line means 5x minus 25 plus this 55 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so if you subtract 55 minus 25 means 5x plus 30, which is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so 5x we will keep as it is, which is equals to 180. If you move this to this side, it will become minus 30 degree. So 5x is equals to 150. Therefore, x will be equals to 150 divided by, if you take 5 to this side, it will become divided by. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15 and the 0. So our x will be equals to 30 degree. So let us find out 5x minus 25 means how much? 5 into, let us substitute x value. X value is nothing but 30 minus 25. So 5 into 30 means 5 threes are 15 and 0 minus 25. So it will be 125 degree. So this is nothing but 125 degree plus 55 degree. Okay, so this will be equals to 180 degree. So I hope this learning sheet is clear to you. If you are having any doubts regarding this, you can comment me down below. So I'll be back with another learning sheet. So till then, stay tuned and stay connected. Thank you.